Talking to the moon.
Who won, Auntie Cara or Tawhiri?
Auntie Cara.
Auntie Cara.
Yeah. Taffy, the car.
Wait, Livy, are you sure it's Auntie Cara, not me, Tafty, not me? Are you
No,
sure?
she
Are you
was pretty clear.
Bring it in, Livy, bring it in.
That was pretty clear. That was pretty clear, eh, babe? Who was the winner, Livy? Was it Auntie Cara or was it Tawhiri?
Auntie Cara.
Oh, Auntie Cara.
Oh, this is forever, yeah. Ooh, they come, they go. You know, I know this is forever.
Darling.
What the birds had to say. I thought of the people in my life and all those who have flown away. Whoa, revelation.
And now I'm in year 5.
Okay, nice.
Year 4 and year 4.
What do you
Do you
get?
like to see your number?
What do you get? Why do you...
I'll be gone tomorrow. Ooh, 'cause it could all be gone tomorrow.
So Te Return is happening, and just our washing machine broke, so we're just getting a new one coming in to be installed very shortly. But we've got a few things going on. Getting Kai sorted, clothes and bags sorted. How do you feel about going back, my pet?
Nothing. Whatever.
Are you ready for school?
Nope.
What are you looking forward to the most?
Nothing. I don't know. School.
The boys?
The boys.
Okay. What are you looking forward to?
I'm getting seed one, I guess.
Yeah, good boy. See how nice that was, my pet? Brother, more to vlog. How ready are you to go back to Kura, babe?
I don't know. I mean, I couldn't even wake up at 11 today.
It was tough, eh?
6:30 on Monday.
A little bit nervous.
Main thing, just excited to see the boys, the brothers.
Yeah.
Live with them again. Last year though.
Last
And
year,
I'm
Kura.
excited to make pet dollar punishments.
What are you most nervous about going back?
The sleep.
The sleeping. What is the... And you've already talked about what was cool.
Hey, you trying to pull a mask to me? You want to do?
No, I'm being a dance. I'm doing that.
Yeah.
And what have you got left to do in terms of packing?
Casuals.
What's the plan if everything gets a bit too much?
Homeschool.
No, I mean like you'll tell us, we'll go get Nanny and Coco or Auntie Claire, or we'll come get you,
Yeah.
or Pa Aaron will get you into the infirmary.
Yeah. Oh,
What are the top 3 tips on surviving at boarding school?
Don't give the monkey to the seniors.
What's that? Don't.
No, that's a do.
What's the top 3 tips?
Listen to your seniors.
Listen to your seniors.
Hey.
Pack lots of undies.
I mean, that's if you're boarding.
Oh, that's why I said boarding school.
Oh, did you? I didn't know that.
Oh,
And
keep
have a
it
lock.
okay.
Have locks. What's your top tip for living and surviving at boarding school, Dal?
How to food from the seniors. Yeah.
What's the one thing you enjoy the most about boarding school?
Getting away from your parents.
By Tessa, did you hear that?
Yeah, same as him.
What's the one thing you do before we head back that is necessary?
Eating food.
Getting food? Making sure you got all your uniform?
Oh, we can wait for dinner. Eh?
Yeah, we'll have KFC for tea. Your last supper.
That's why it's my last day, last day at home.
Just breathe, man. You're stressing.
I'm not stressing.
You are
I am, but it's not in the way people would think.
You're making me deep breathe for you, man.
And I already hate
Right, we're gonna take the little boys first.
What?
Yeah.
I gotta sit any longer?
Yeah. Just dropped off Parfait and I'm just leaving to head back to Wellington. You might hear some of the kōrero as I was trying to film us driving in. A little bit stressed because, you know, there's so much that he has to kind of get back into, and yeah, he can do it. We'll be back up next weekend for the Pōwhiri and we'll release this vlog after that. But yeah, always sucks leaving them. Like, this is the drive out, which makes it harder on the matua ane. That's the drive. It's beautiful, but oh my gosh, makes you want to miss the kids more.
Cause nothing even matters at all. See, nothing even matters. See, nothing even matters at all.